that you live and experience. Something that you dare to